My tunes.
Hello guys, what's up? Yomi Keys here, Yomi Akatuba. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, kindly subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified once I upload a new video. It's going to be a fast one. I'm just going to put you through how to add depth to your vocal with your reverb and delay plus your EQ. Okay, so let's get right into it. So this is what I'm working with. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. All right, so as you can see, I've sent my vocal track into a bus. That's where I'm processing the vocal track, and the bus is stereo track. All right, so first things first, I'm going to be dealing with this vocal. In order to add depth to it, I'm going to start with EQ. All right, so nothing crazy. I'm just using the stock EQ on the channel strip of Cubase. All right, so first thing, I'm going to do an high pass, then roll off some low end, a little bit of low end. Let's listen to that. I'm no longer a slave to fear. All right. I am a child of God. Before, I'm no longer a slave to fear. All right, so I am. Next up would be adding our delay. I would be adding an FX channel, FX track, and I'll be using the ping pong delay. It's a stock plugin from Cubase. I'll call this ping pong delay. All right. Let's play with the parameters. So this low filter literally means that, okay, I'm rolling off like 208 or 259, or let's say like 314 hertz out of the delay. So I'm rolling off the low end, which is 314.6 hertz out of the delay, and also the high filter too. I'm rolling off up to 10 kilohertz out of the delay. All right, so let's now reduce the feedback. The feedback is the amount of repeated sound you get from your delay. Okay, so I'm reducing it to maybe 19. Okay, and here I'm going to be working with 1/4. I think that's cool for me. All right, so let's listen without the delay now. So let's add it to our vocal bus. So once I come to my vocal bus and I come into my send here, I can access this ping pong delay which I've created. So I click on it, and so I dial in the amount of the delay I want on the vocal. So let's play with it. I'm no longer a slave to fear. I am a child of God. So you can hear that. It's so interesting. All right, so next would be on this delay. I don't want the delay to be playing around while my vocal is still singing. So what I'll do is to do a compressor, a side chain on the delay, so that as my vocal is singing, it ducks down the delay. So once the vocal finishes every phrase, I mean after the vocal is done singing every phrase of the music, the delay comes up. All right, so the delay is not just working while my vocal is singing, but as my vocal is singing, the delay is silent. Then once my vocal is done, the delay comes up. Hope that is clear. So I'm going to be adding compressor to my delay. Alright, so and I would activate my sidechain here. Then I'll be doing a lot of compression, fast attack, slow release, then a makeup gain, then my threshold all the way down. Now this is not a normal, I mean this is not a preset or a rule. Just make use of your ears while you are doing this. This one is just a guide on how to use this. So I come back to my vocal bus and look for that sidechain compressor on the delay. This is it, so you can see it here. So I click on it and I activate it. So listen to what it does.
A slave to feed. I am a child of God.
Did you hear that? So you can see that once the vocal stops singing, that's when you can hear the delay. So it's so simple, simple as that. All right, so next up we'll be adding a reverb FX channel. I'll be making use of the Valhalla plate. I mean, that's one of my favorite reverbs, so I'm going to call this Reverb FX. All right, so Reverb FX. So let's play with the Reverb FX. Let's reduce the mix to 50%. So the pre-delay, let's saturate it more. Then the decay time. Then we roll off the lows. We roll off a little bit of the I. Then I think we're good with that. What I'm going to be doing with this reverb is I'm going to add it not on my vocal bus but on my ping pong delay. So I come to my send, to my ping pong sends channel, then I access the reverb there. Hope that's clear. So I dial in the reverb, the amount of reverb I want on the delay. So let's listen to this.
I'm no longer a slave.
You can see, you can
To feed. I am a child of God. I'm no longer a slave.
So let me come to my ping pong delay, edit the release time.
I am a child of God.
Can you hear that? So nice, so nice. So let's listen to this together with the music. Let's listen to this together with the music. So I'm just going to add a little bit of the reverb on my vocals so that it also has that feel of reverb on it. So take note, reverb should not be too much. It should be felt. So let's listen to this.
I'm no longer a slave to feed. I am a child of God. I'm no longer a slave to feed.
So just make use of your ears. This is sound engine hearing, not engine eyeing. So don't make use of your eye. It is engine hearing. I mean, you listen, not look at. All right, so that's the tutorial for today. Hope it was helpful. Kindly leave a thumbs up on this video and also share your comments in this comment section below. I would hit you on my next